In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a proposal in Honeybook. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with Honeybook, this tutorial will help you seamlessly navigate the process of sending a proposal to your client, ensuring everything is set up perfectly for your business needs. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Projects tab within Honeybook. This is your central hub for managing client interactions and tracking all your project activities. Once you're there, you'll need to find and select the specific project for your client. This step is crucial because it ensures that the proposal is linked to the correct project, keeping your workflow organized and efficient. Take a moment to double check that you have the right project open, as this will save you from any mix-ups later on. Next, you'll look for the Send Smart File button. You can typically find this button in the top right corner of your screen, but it might also appear within the project activity feed. The Smart File feature in Honeybook is incredibly powerful as it allows you to combine different elements like contracts, invoices, and proposals into one cohesive document. This means you can manage everything from one place, making it a breeze to keep track of all your client communications. Once you've located the button, go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to choose your template. This is where the magic happens. If you've prepared a proposal template in advance, you'll find it here. Selecting a template that you've already customized for your business is not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency in your branding and communication style. If you're new to using templates, Honeybook provides a variety of options that you can tailor to fit your specific needs. Once you've selected your desired template, you're all set to proceed to the final steps of customizing and sending your proposal. Remember, the key to a successful proposal is clarity and professionalism. Make sure all the details in your template align with the specifics of the project and the agreement you're proposing to your client. Double check pricing, timelines, and any other critical details to avoid any misunderstandings. After you've reviewed everything, you can confidently send the proposal to your client, knowing that you've covered all bases. And there you have it. Sending a proposal in Honeybook is as simple as that. By organizing your projects using the Smart File feature and selecting the right template, you can streamline your proposal process and focus more on growing your business. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made your experience with Honeybook even smoother. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out to support. Happy sending!